Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn hard words of the lesson 2 or natural and cultural heritage. All of you open your worksheets. Lesson 2 or natural and cultural heritage. We are going to learn hard words today. Okay. First one, heritage. Heritage. Heritage means property that is gained. Property. Property. That is gained. 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 Heritage. Property that is gained. Second one, architecture. Architecture. Architecture means the art or science of building. Art or science. Science. Science of building. 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 Architecture, the art or science of building. Third one, traditional. Traditional. Traditional means anything handed down from age to age. Anything anything handed. Handed down. Down from from age to age. Age to age. Murals. Murals means a built-in wall painting or picture. A built-in wall painting or picture. Built-in wall. Wall painting. Painting or picture. Picture. Fifth one, environment. Environment. Environment means the surroundings. Surroundings. Environment, the surroundings. Sixth one, folklores. Folklores means the traditional beliefs. The the traditional beliefs. Beliefs. Seventh one, monasteries. Monasteries means a building where people lived and worshipped in the past. A building. Building. Building where. Where people. People lived. Lived and worship. Worship in the past. Past. Monasteries, a building where people lived and worship in the past. Eighth question, civilization. Civilization. Civilization means advanced state of human society. Advanced state. State of human society. Human. Society. Civilization, advanced state of human society. Ninth one, depicting. Depicting means describe. Describe. Depicting. Describe. 10th one, miniature. miniature. Miniature means very small of its kind. V-E-R-Y, very. S-M-A-L-L, small of its kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Miniature, very small of its kind. 11th one, cuisine. C-U-I-S-I-N-E, cuisine, means a style or method of cooking. A S-T-Y-L-E, style or method. M-E-T-H-O-D, method of cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Cuisine, style or method of cooking. Again, I am repeating from first onwards, children. You all of you repeat along with me, okay? Heritage, property that is gained. Architecture, the art or science of building. Traditional, anything handed down from age to age. Murals, a built-in wall painting or picture. Environment, the surroundings. Folklores, the traditional beliefs. Monasteries, a building where people lived and worshipped in the past. Civilization, advanced state of human society. Depicting, describe. Miniature, very small of its kind. Cuisine, style or method of cooking. Children, you all of you read these 18 hard words 3 times each and write down in your notebook. Write down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay? Thank you, children. Bye all of you.